This is my review of the LIPETY Oscillating Foldable Fan. This is at the lowest height that it'll go. You can also loosen this and then raise it all the way up, which is kind of hard with one hand when I'm holding the phone. Hold on. That's raised all the way up. Turn on the remote. You hear it's not very loud. That's on the lowest. It's next. It's very quiet. And then once it's oscillating, it comes with this remote that you can set the timer if you want. You can set it to go oscillating from the low to the medium to the high. As you can see, it's going low and then it goes medium. Or if you just wanted to keep it a steady flow. You can also, instead of using the remote, you can use the function here. This will keep it on the high. But it's very quiet, doesn't make very much noise, and it does put out quite a bit of air. So I definitely recommend it. It's a very good fan for the price.
Before they bought it, and also not reselling them. Will it be done some construction? Might that be a problem for them in the future? How they want us to get out? Promise the questions. Find out the answers later in the show. We're off to the charming village of Duxford, 10 miles south of Cambridge. It played a key role during World War II, serving as a base for many Spitfire and Hurricane pilots, aircraft which can now be seen at Duxford's Imperial War Museum. It's a picturesque village, and the look Tommy's here to see is in a great spot.
The property I'm here to see today is about 2 miles from Duxford's famous museum, and it's right in the centre of this brilliant village. It looks like a house, but in actual fact, it's a former church, and it's a guide price of £160,000 to £180,000. Let's take a look inside. Staircase there, going up, that's to investigator. Toilets, a kitchen, reception area. Wow, look at that. You certainly don't expect this from the outside. Nice.
No. This is a good thing of being an adult. I have access to adult money. Alright, plug over the Type C. That's one. See, it's charging. Yeah, this is one. Okay, so you got to double tap. And this is three. Three. Now it rotates. Yeah, it rotates. Night mode. There go the timer. All right.
Brought the fan abroad. It's working okay. Now, doesn't charge properly. This, as soon as I touch it, it's a loose connection. I haven't even moved it out. I have to wiggle it around for it to work. Look. Do you see if I take it out, put it in? It doesn't work. I have to really move it around. Can you see? For it to work. So now that's on. If I press it on, it doesn't even work.
Them is the same as everybody else. Why you have to distinguish with me? I don't sit up here and say, well, yeah, such and such my gay friend. She's my friend, right?
Well, I never, when she mentioned it, I never told her.
Yeah, but you telling me. Well,
Yeah, I know.
It'll go out in a minute because I smell that smoky smell.
Well, no,
you all right other than that. Tell me about the law.
well, I made two loans.
Doesn't work at all.
Seriously, if you go on a tropical vacation and you're like me and you like air blowing on you, this fan is awesome. It feels so good.
Aquí tengo el ventilador nuevo y por ahora la verdad es que va bastante bien.
Cord is way too short and it's already broken. Had this fan for 2 months.
This is what happens. Turn it on. and then it will not stay.